Hey everyone, this is Jennifer with DP Addiction Adventures, and you're probably going to get two videos today with tonight's Friday Fun with Jen. The collab starts, but then I wanted to make a special announcement. It's Friday. Yes, that's the special announcement. Although some of you may not be watching this on a Friday, at least celebrate with me because in the present, as I'm making this, it is Friday and it has been a long week. But that's okay. I am doing well. My husband got new internet, and guess where our internet is? It is back here, down here, and so all of my craft stuff got shifted. So who knows where anything is? So we'll see what happens over the next couple days, forcing Jen, DP Addiction Adventures, aka myself, to organize. As you can see, there's like boxes over here and everything got shifted. All right, so what is the purpose of this video? This purpose is, hey, you do me a favor, I do you a favor. Okay? Me, you, something like that. As people around the community know, Craftymint was an up-and-coming diamond painting company through Amazon. However, they realized based on their own work, working full-time jobs, being new parents, they did not have the time to put in the effort for what needed to happen to make it quality, and they wanted quality and they wanted it affordable. And they wanted to kind of connect the therapy, which is why they brought me on to help work with them on the therapeutic aspect of it. This was like 2 years ago. Well, that being said, they put a pause, and over time, they decided to go into light pads and more accessories. And I can't wait to buy their new light pad, which is on Amazon. There's a link down below. And so that being said, they were just sitting on inventory and they asked me if I could help spread it to the community. So they sent me a pallet, over 500 diamond paintings. And what I did is in this West Michigan area, I gave some to shelters, some to special needs schools, I gave some to autistic families, and with COVID, over 2,000 people on our neighborhood page, I announced that it would be great art for kids and adults alike with at-home school virtual learning. Needless to say, I'm still sitting on a lot, which then they sent another pallet from their warehouse and said, do with this what you want. These are brand new designs. They have not, the first pallet was designs that they had been selling for a while. This pallet was brand new designs. So with their okay, I am giving them to you at $5 or $6 a piece versus free. So I have one set down below in the description that's free. So when you click on that Google form, you can check mark which ones you want, and that form gets sent to me, and then I plug in your address and I plug in the dimensions and the weight of what you wanted, and I send you an email back saying this is the estimate on the shipping. It's free plus shipping because I can't afford hundreds and hundreds of dollars of shipping to ship these out. Full disclosure, I do round up to the nearest dollar to help pay for tape and boxes and different things like that. So whether USPS is charging $7.10, I round up to $8, or $7.89, I round up to $8, and so on and so forth. So that one is marked free. The new paintings I am selling at $5 or $6 depending on the size and such, because it's an adoption fundraiser for us. We have $6,000 left towards our adoption. Patreon funds go towards our adoption. I've given them updates specific to Patreon on where we're at, and now I'm giving you guys an update. We started at 25 grand, and over the course of the last 4 years, we have been raising money, saving money, selling things, anything we can to bring baby home. and we're down to $6,000. So I had permission to sell these however I wanted, but I didn't want to sell them, and that's why I gave away the first palette for free. However, being that we're so close to our final mark, being that I am spending so much time wrapping these up, I have like Christmas paper here, I have other paper, I wrap each and every one up, I print off the label. I am not a business. So basically I'm going to show you the 6 that I'm offering. There's a couple more that I'm going to offer after the retreat in October, except those designs are a secret because we're giving some of those away at the retreat, and I don't want those people, you know, I want them to be surprised. Okay, so I'm going to go over the 6 that I have, and I'm going to tell you what the price is, and then down below is a link for that. If you could help not only unbury me, because I have a full palette. I mean, talk about diamond paintings. I have 500 plus diamond paintings right in my laundry area. There's no other place to put it, and I have a picture I'm going to insert here, which was them in our family room, and then we moved them into our storage / laundry area, and we're like crawling over them to get to our clothes. So not only would I love if you purchase them to get them out of my house, but also if you purchase them in support of our adoption to help us get that $6,000. I know people do auctions and different things like that. I want you guys to have it. $5, $6 for a diamond painting. In the United States, shipping has been averaging between $10 and $15. However, there's 2 very large diamond paintings. They're $6 each. Because they're over 22 inches, they're 27 inches long, those have risen the shipping. So please do not be a hater. You can turn it down once I send you the estimate. That's why I call it an estimate and not an order. That's why I don't ask you to pay for anything until you see how much it is. Okay, so the first one is this huge landscape, and also on the Google form it tells you if it's square or round, and it tells you the size. Okay, so woo! I'm gonna move my computer because it's so big. All right, so it's this landscape. I know it's at least 80 centimeters. I think it's a 60 by 80. I'm not sure. I can't remember. But double check the Google form. So that's a really big one. And then I have a red landscape, which is absolutely gorgeous. How beautiful is that? So that's another biggie. So those are the 2 that will probably put your shipping a little bit higher because they're 27 inches long. Then we have this Phoenix, which is absolutely gorgeous. And my lighting isn't doing it justice, but it's dark aquas and teals and that vibrant orange and red and yellow. Beautiful. So the first 2, the landscapes, are $6. The Phoenix is $5 plus shipping. Then we have this amazing lion with an AB. So this one is $6 because it has the AB in it. Absolutely gorgeous. And then we have this guitar. Oh, upside down. Guitar, which is beautiful. And then the last one is, I call it the crazy woman face. That's how I look, guys. Look, it's my twin. Okay, so there's 3 of them for $5 and 3 of them for $6. You can get 1 of each. You can get 1 of 1. You could get 5 of 1 if you want to give them as gifts. I will say, like, if you get 1 and the shipping's like, let's say $12, if you get 2, the shipping is not like $24. The shipping goes up maybe $1 to $3 because it's by weight and length. So if you're going to get one, you might as well get a couple more. It's up to you. I did want to show you real quick what you're going to get. So it's brand new. It's going to come in that shrink wrap box that you just saw. And then inside it comes in noisy, crinkly, way to go paper. And then the drills. So you're going to get, labeled drills. They're going to be in packages. All right, so this one is the Crazy Woman. So the Crazy Woman is round, which is a 44 by 63. And then you're going to get this toolkit. The toolkit's going to come with a wax container. It actually comes with a plastic tip and a regular tip and a 3-placer, a squishy, some baggies, and a tray. Now, these are poured glue, however, they do have an opaque cover, but I did clarify that it is poured glue. I've also checked it myself. So you're going to, unroll. Now it does come with a warranty, but the warranty is voided because I'm shipping it out. But you get a inventory page, some papers on how to do it, and then you get and I'm gonna pull this off so you can see how beautiful it is and how clear the labels are. I don't have a really good camera. I'm not using my phone, I'm using my computer camera. But yes, it is poured glue. So check down below. There's an option for free with shipping only. Those are 3 I haven't shown. There's a mountain scene, a cat scene, and a US hands making a heart. And then there's these 6 that you can get at a price. And the money goes towards our adoption. So thank you so much for hanging in there, sticking with this video. All the instructions are in the Google form. So I know I get emails all the time, but all the instructions are in Google form. I do ask that you give me, in the Google form a couple days, because like I said, if you're watching this video and it's not the weekend, I work all weekend or all week. So I only get to really do most of this an hour a night or on the weekends. You don't need to see my arm doing all that. But thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. And I gotta go clean this up before Friday Fun with Jen so I can actually move and not feel like, So I love you all. Take care and thank you so much. And I'll talk to you later. Bye-bye.